Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. In today's video, we will check how to solve error HTTP error 403.14 forbidden. So you can get this error sometimes when you publish your ASP.NET Core web application on IIS. So what we have here is we have a IIS application here, and when I'm trying to browse this application, then I am getting the error 403.14 forbidden. So you can get this error because of a missing web config, because in ASP.NET Core projects web config doesn't come by default, so sometimes you can miss out adding that in your project. So what we have to do is we have to add one web config in our project. Okay, so I have one web config over here that I will just show you first. So I have this web config over here, and you have to just see how it looks like. So here we have mentioned the module ASP.NET Core module v2, and then there is the project DLL, and this web config is for ASP.NET Core 3.1. So basically ASP.NET Core application have this kind of web configs where they will pass the process path and arguments over here. So I have this web config over here, and I will just try to put this in the project which is published on the IIS. Okay, so now this is the project that is on IIS, and I will paste it over here. Just provide the permission and go to your IIS, and now restart the application. Now if you will click browse, then you will see that your application is working fine. So this is how you can solve your HTTP error 403.14 in IIS while publishing ASP.NET Core web application. So thanks for watching guys, and if you face any issue then you can comment on the video. So thanks for watching.